my lovely. So as you know, soon, one of these days, I will be performing a Gua Sha facial tutorial. But before we get into that, I want to tell you some of the tools that are on the market for Gua Sha facial, and also some do's and don'ts that you need to follow before you get into Gua Sha facial. So some of the tools, and you've probably seen it, it's a jade blade. This is a jade stone. Then there is a roller for the skin, and this is less intense than the blade. The blades also come in different shapes and different thicknesses. So the thicker the blade, the more gentle Gua Sha facial will be. The thinner the blade, it will be more intense. So it just depends on how much tension you have in your face, your neck, etc. And then there is this kind of looking tool. So this is more for penetration and opening up the skin. But there's also rose quartz stones, which come in pinkish looking. I will bring them when I will be doing a facial Gua Sha tutorial. But some do's, you do want a Gua Sha facial if you have a lot of tension in your neck, your face, you feel some knots, jaw stiffness. You know, that's gonna help with the inflammation that you have, puffiness on the face, around your eyes. It will sculpt your face, so your neck will even look longer and more profound. You will be raising your eyelids. So it's a lot of different benefits, lymphatic drainage. So basically, like, we are getting a shoulder massage. It feels really good, and we feel that tension got relieved. So it's the same what's gonna happen with your face when you do a Gua Sha facial. And then some don'ts: please do not perform or go to a facialist to get a facial Gua Sha if you have fillers, because you don't want to move them around. Also, do not do on a fresh Botox. Also, if you have acne, active acne, cystic acne, please do not perform Gua Sha facial on it, as you do not want to irritate the skin or cause any more damage. However, you can use this blade or any other blade that you have, maybe a square one. Keep this in refrigerator or a bowl full of ice, and you can just keep it and hold it on the inflamed area of your face, so that will help with inflammation and calming the acne. But do not do the scraping type of moves. Also, another don't is if you have very sensitive, irritated skin, do not do the scraping moves. Like I said, you can do the touching and holding, or you can gently use the roller. But these tools feel amazing and have more benefit if they are kept in a cool place. So just something to remember before we get into that, and I will see you very soon at my Gua Sha facial tutorial.